Good morning, y'all. It's YAYA. Day 2. I'm striking out by myself this morning. Hubby had to work last night, so he just now getting in. So I'm headed out. It's gonna be 90 degrees today, so I'm getting started early. Morning. So I'm getting started early, so I ain't gonna stay on here long because I'm gonna count my steps, but I'm not going to do a whole bunch of recording because he recorded on the camera. Y'all know I gotta put my mind to it, so
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family.
YAYA time. YAYA time. What you say? YAYA time. YAYA time. Okay, YAYA time.
hey, my peeps, welcome back to the show. Happy Thursday. We glad you guys are here. We're glad we're here. If you're new to the show, we welcome you. Please hit that subscribe button for us. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when YAYA, that would be me, uploads new videos. And we welcome each and every one of you. So today, we're going to say our prayer. And then we're going to tell you what we have to eat. And then we're going to do a little chit-chatting.
Bow your
Sound
heads,
good?
y'all. Yep, bow your
Okay.
heads, y'all. Amen.
Amen. So yeah, hey y'all. So today we each have a salad. What kind of salad did you have?
I have a chef salad.
Chef salad, and what I got, a turkey bacon salad. And then I have some sauteed jumbo shrimp in a garlic butter sauce. Something else. Oh, ginger garlic butter sauce. That's what I made, and I made that. Just a little quick throw together. So yeah, and got me some water to drink.
I got some iced tea over here, y'all.
He's got iced tea. So yeah, that's what we having today. So how's everybody doing for Thursday? Hope everybody's doing good. Having a good day.
Rabbit food today.
Rabbit food today, yeah. Oh, so day 2 of the walk challenge. I got on up this morning. Tim worked last night, so he came in around about 7:30 or something.
Mm-hmm.
And I was already up and ready, so I struck out on my own. So I'll add a couple little clips to the video. So yeah, day 2, I made my little.
I think we should have had our own bowls.
You'll be fine. Just stick your fork in there. You'll be okay.
Can't turn it good.
Yeah, well, just dig off in there and move it around. There you go. So yes, so I'm happy about that. I'm happy that I did make it. Mm-hmm. He been sleeping, then he jumps up and come busting out the room, talking about I'm hungry, and then want me to hurry up and throw everything together. I'm like, well, I've been kind of chilling. Went to the grocery store this morning. But I've just been chilling today. Still putting a few things away in the kitchen I needed to put away. And watching videos, seeing what everybody's up to and what everybody's doing. Watching some vlogs. So I'm probably going to do a lot of vlogging when I leave week after next. So I need to set up a channel for that. So be looking for me to announce that. And make sure you go out and subscribe to that channel as well, please. And thank you. Salad is good. That's what we needed. That's why we're having salad today, y'all. So what's been going on? What's shaking? What's baking?
Something you gonna talk about?
Like, give me some bites in, baby. Why you rushing me?
I ain't rushing you. I'm just asking you a
Do you
question.
have something you want to talk about?
No, not particularly. Trying to do like I said we're gonna try to do.
That's fine, Tim.
Okay, all right. Let me shut up.
Over here dropping food. You ain't even gave me time to.
Come here.
You ain't gave the peeps nothing to eat.
Y'all got something to eat, don't you, peeps?
That he is. Oh, he's on one today, y'all.
If not, let me know. I'll get you something.
This smells scary.
That's what I'm saying too. I'll get you something.
I love these shrimps. With my quick little butter, ginger, garlic. Some of that bread I like, you know, when it's freshly made in the store, the long sourdough bread. A piece of that would have been good. Just give me a couple more bites in. So I hope everybody's doing good. Y'all got on up this morning. I didn't get no comments from anybody just yet. So I'm assuming y'all still thinking about it. Being my walking partners. Y'all know we've been having this weird weather. Right before we got ready to record, it just went totally black outside. It started thundering. But I got on up early this morning. I left before 8, a little bit before 8. Because I had looked at the weather and it said it was going to be 90 degrees today. And I did not want to, wait until later and it was too warm or anything like that. But if by chance something like that did happen, my backup plan is just to do it inside. Walk around the house and walk in place. There's a video, and I forget the lady's name.
Get on your machine.
Oh, yeah, I do have a machine back there, too. But if you don't have a machine or anything, just, walk in the house. And she does it. She has a channel. Exercise channel. So yeah, we got options, y'all. If the outside elements are bad, keep it on, keep it on.
Y'all see on the news about New York got flooded. Brooklyn, I think it was Brooklyn.
I didn't hear about it.
Just now, I just saw it.
Oh, really? From what?
Rain?
Does it have to do with Ida?
I don't think so.
Oh, just rain?
The storms came through there.
Wow.
And some people died. I think they said 8 people total.
Oh, really?
And still counting.
Really?
Yeah, it flooded down there. So, people that you have elect to go to Washington, D.C., your senators and your congressmen.
Woman.
women, you need to get on their case because the infrastructure is not good. Not good. They always talking about this and talking about that. If they'd have did this here 10 years ago, 20 years ago, we'd be okay. But no. They too busy trying to do whatever and say this and that and that. And now look at us. Now look at our country.
Pay attention to what's happening, is what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
Speak up.
Infrastructure is over hundreds of years old.
Not hundreds of years old, but.
Mm-hmm. Well, not hundreds of years old, but back in Eisenhower, that's who started it. You know,
so,
the Hoover Dam and the interstates and all that.
Mm-hmm.
And that was built right after World War II, you know, the infrastructure for the United States.
Mm-hmm.
And now it can't handle what is going on today.
Mm-hmm.
It's falling apart.
Mm.
Bridges, power grid.
I don't understand why it's such a fight to.
And the first thing they want to say, it costs too much. It costs too much. You said that 20 years ago. It costs too much. Now what you think is going to cost? You know? Come on, man. And women.
Think about it. As I always say, don't fall for the okie dokie out. Don't fall for the okie doke.
Mm-hmm.
What I was going to ask y'all about, did y'all see during the Ida storm in Mississippi? I've watched this reporter. I've watched him grow. Nice young man. He's reporting close to the water. You know, putting his life on the line, being out there to show everybody information, you know, what's going on or whatever, so people are aware and can get to where they need to get to. And this idiot, and he was an idiot, comes flying up the road in his white Ford truck, jumps out, and tries to jump him. Just out of the blue. Playing the Karen and Becky role. It was crazy. To kill Brewster, which reports for NBC. That was scary. He was cool though, but the man attacked him. He was doing his job. This man come flying up the road. Come to find out, you got a warrant out for the man, but he's done some other crazy stuff. I mean, like really, really crazy stuff, where he should be on a watch list.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so the news reporters, you know, out reporting the news, so we know what's going on. And it's about the weather. And you can't say it ain't true, because it was true. Ida was running rampant. And somebody just gonna try to jump you.
Well, I'm going to say this right here. If that would have been me reporting like that, I would have lost my job. Because I'd have whooped his butt.
That's what some of the other God men were selling.
I'd have been fighting. I'd have been beating him all upside the head with my microphone.
That's what this woman said.
And then I would have grabbed the camera and started whooping him with it too.
Old-fashioned ass whooping.
Sure enough. Sure enough.
But yeah, so, man, it is crazy out there. I just could not believe that.
Mm-hmm.
A nicest person on camera that, you know, you see reported in the news. All his colleagues just think he's, you know, the ish. And for some crazy to roll up on him,
Mm-hmm.
you know. When bad things happen to good people, well, it shouldn't happen to anybody, but especially when bad things happen to good people, you just be so, I'm just so appalled for that to happen to him. You ate all your stuff out of the salad.
I was eating the salad too. You get full quick when you're hungry.
But yeah, so as we always tell y'all, keep your head on the swivel out there, y'all, when you're out and about.
Uh-huh. Because you never know what may go on be jumping off.
You don't know what be going on or whatever. You can be minding your own business. And somebody that's tripping walk up to you and
Like they say, wrong place, wrong time. So you got to keep your head on the swivel. Be ready for anything. And everything.
but y'all know if somebody do lay hands, you have a right to protect yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Now they can spit and cuss and call you all kind of names they want to.
And well,
Just
hold on.
let me
okay.
finish.
All right.
You know. And if you got self-control and you have a belief system within you, I'm just giving my opinion, you know, you might keep it pushing or whatever. But if they lay hands, you do have the right to protect yourself.
Okay, now y'all heard what she said, right? Okay. Now, my perspective,
We already know.
you can curse all you want to. Sticks and stones ain't gonna break my bones. But you spit on me?
Well, I meant spraying because
That too.
they so
That too.
inflamed and crazy acting.
That too.
That's the ass whooping.
That's an ass whooping. That's all it is. I'm sorry. You ain't gonna get up on me. You can stand back and talk and say what all you want to. But the moment you get up close to me in my face and get to spraying, I'm gonna get the land. These hands. That's all it is. And I ain't playing.
Okay.
So, keep your distance and say whatever you want to say. Come close and get the spray. You're going to get these hands laid on your face. That's all it is. That's just it with me.
You sound like Philip.
That's just it with
But
me.
he was like, you're going to get them hands, okay?
You know? As my grandson used to say, my paw be paws. You're going to be on your drawers.
That was really good. I threw that together real quick too, y'all.
So, you know, we ain't going to keep y'all that long
No.
and stuff. Wanted to just come to you and share some things with you and check on you.
Check in, check on.
Make sure everything's going okay. And things.
We didn't
So,
mean to get all spitfire and everything.
yeah, sorry, but yeah. But please don't forget to give her a like, share, and a subscribe. And most importantly of all, y'all, hit that notification bell to where you'll be notified when Yaya drops a new video for you. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Oh. Hey, Marty. Shout out to Marty. One of our peeps. He is so funny. I have to tell y'all, he had commented on a video. I don't remember which video, one in the last couple days. And said Tim came home this morning and told me, because I hadn't looked at the channel. He was like, there was a comment in there I think it was from the guy from Texas. I was like, Marty, and
Cowboys, them boys.
he
See,
said
Hulk.
he said he was at work and somebody yelled out, "What time is it?" And he said he replied back really loud, "It's Yaya's time." Oh, we laughed. Oh, we cracked up laughing. I thought that was so funny.
And things. But
He
yeah.
said, "It's Yaya's time." I said, "I know that's right, Marty."
And things. But don't y'all know the most important thing of the show? Time. 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 Hey. Hey.
Oh, gosh. He still got a job, y'all. He's still working, y'all. Okay? So as Yaya says, time is our most precious commodity. So make sure you make your time work for you. Don't procrastinate. Think about the walking challenge that I'm doing. Come walk with me. Let me know. Comment down in the comments. Let me know. And if you're going to walk with me, I'll be out there again tomorrow. Watch the video all the way through. I'll put some clips in there near the end. At the beginning and the end. Let y'all see how I was huffing and puffing today. But appreciate y'all stopping in. We love each and every one of you.
And with that said,
What time is it?
Marty, you know what time it is. Shout it out.
Peace.
It's Yaya's time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay. Yaya time.
Thank you guys. We'll be back tomorrow. You guys have a safe and wonderful Thursday. Deuces.
Yaya time.
Bye, y'all. I think I'm recording. I'm delirious. No, not really. Okay, y'all. I made it back to the home front. Whew. I'm really sweating today. But you know what? When you sweat, at least you know you're doing something. Whew. So, anywho, I'll see you guys for the mukbang later on today. I'll show these clips in that video. Deuces. Woo, sorry. Deuces.